If you're starting network marketing from zero and you want to build a strong, motivated, long-lasting team, this video is for you because the truth is most people don't fail in network marketing because the business is hard. They fail because they never learned the right way to build. So today I'm going to break down exactly how to build a network marketing team from absolutely nothing, even if you have no followers, no experience, and no idea where to begin. Let's get into it. The first step is simple but powerful. Get clear on your why. People don't follow people who are perfect. They follow people who have purpose. Why are you building this business? What do you want to change in your life? And who do you want to help? When your vision is strong, you become magnetic. People feel it. They trust it. They want to be a part of it. Your why is the foundation of your entire team. Step 2, become a product of the product. Before anyone joins you, they need to see you using what you promote. If you want a team to believe in the products, you have to show results, show experiences, and show that you're all in. People don't buy what you sell, they buy what you believe. And belief is built through consistency, not hype. Step 3, start sharing your journey publicly. Not I'm recruiting, not join my team, just your story. Share what you're learning, what you're struggling with, what you're improving, and how these products or this business are helping you grow. People connect with authenticity more than perfection. When you share honestly, the right people will naturally lean in. Step 4, make a simple list of people to talk to, not a sales list, a connection list. Friends, family, coworker, old classmates, people you follow online, anyone who might benefit from the product or the business. Your goal is not to convince them. Your goal is to invite them to take a look. A simple message like, hey, I'm working on something new and I think it could be valuable for you. Want to check it out? No pressure, no long paragraphs, just an invitation. Leadership begins with conversations. Step 5, focus on helping, not selling. When you shift from how do I get them to join to how do I genuinely help them, everything changes. Ask questions, understand their goals, understand their challenges. If the business fits them, invite them in with confidence. If it doesn't, stay friends, stay supportive, and stay valuable. This builds trust, and trust builds teams. Step 6, plug every new person into a simple system. People don't duplicate your talent. People duplicate your system. Have a simple onboarding process. Step 1, get them connected. Step 2, get them trained. Step 3, get them earning. When someone joins, don't overwhelm them. Give them quick wins, simple actions, and clear direction. A team without a system is chaos. A team with a system grows on its own. Step 7, lead from the front. You can't teach consistency. You have to model it. Your team will do what you do, not what you say. If you show up, they show up. If you grow, they grow. If you're excited, they're excited. Your team is a reflection of your leadership energy. Step 8, celebrate every win, big or small. Someone signs a customer, celebrate. Someone shares their first post, celebrate. Someone gets their first no, celebrate, because they took action. People stay where they feel appreciated, recognized, and supported. And strong culture creates a strong team. And step 9, stay patient and stay planted. No team grows overnight. You're planting seeds. Some sprout fast, some sprout slow, some won't sprout at all. But if you stay consistent, if you stay positive, and if you stay in the game, your team will grow. Not by accident, but because you built it with intention. Here's the truth. Building a network marketing team from zero is not about being lucky or knowing the right people. It's about belief, consistency, and leadership. If you grow yourself, you'll grow your team. If you stay committed, they'll stay committed. And if you never quit, your team will never stop growing. Thanks for watching. Now go out there and build something you're proud of.